All right, guys, Honda Pilot. This is a 2011, I believe, same thing as a 09 to 2015. This is just came in. So the guy said that the shocks on this rear hatch on both sides is shot. So we got a new one there already. I'm just gonna quickly pop this hatch open here. We're gonna show you guys what's going on. You can see that you have to manually bring it up and it won't hold up. So this guy, he got his own little prop shop here. He's gonna bring it up to the top. That's how he make his living. His when he do his grocery shopping, get it out of the vehicle or in the vehicle. You have to carry this with him all the time. This piece of wood. All right, so he came in, dropped off the vehicle. He ordered 2 rear prop shaft right here to replace this shot one, and then he had this door handle as well for the rear hatch. The other one is ripped, came out, and side and the center panel for the rear hatch. You're gonna install it right after. So this video we're gonna change the 2 rear hatch strut support, and then the outside door handle is next. So let's get started. All right, so just gonna grab a flat screwdriver. We're gonna pop this metal retainer right here, just like that. Same thing on the top. And that's out right there. To test this out, man, because you can see that it's so easy to press it down, and this thing is shot really bad. Should have a resistance when you push that cylinder rod in. So let's try this one out. I believe this is the original on this vehicle, never been replaced. And this is a 2011, so wow, long time. There you go. Alright, so you can see here when you press it down. Yeah, look at that. It's so easy. Alright, so here's a new one. Same part number, left and right. Made in Turkey. Strong Arm is the brand. They're like 45 bucks each or something. We'll push this metal clip out. All right, get something that it would go into the slot here, so it's easy. So just slide it up like that. Same thing with this one. Okay, so slide that metal retainer up so that we have lots of room. A big hole right here when we install it on the vehicle. Alright, so before you install, clean all this up. Better to put some grease in there. We know some grease in here already, but we'll put some more. Alright, so let's start with the top here. We'll just push it in. Okay, and then we'll slide this clip down. There you go. See that sound? That means it's locked in place. And then I'll be working on the bottom here. You can see that it's a little different, so we had to compress this thing up, or we could move the door up higher, push it up so we could line up the hole to that stud right there. Be careful on this part because it's gonna be heavy. Okay, we got that prop wood out. We're gonna be sliding this up now. Move the hatch a little higher, and there we go. There we go. You can see that it just holds with one cylinder here on this side, so that's pretty good. This is a really nice solid piece. It just holds with one. Let's do the other side quick, and then this is done. We'll move on to the handle after. All right, guys, there you go. It's holding it up by itself now. Let's give this a try. Oh yeah, it's pretty solid. Yep. Perfect. Wow. Solid. Easy install. It was like, my God, probably like 10 minutes. Pretty easy. All right, let's put the door handle here. There's a handle right there on this Honda Pilot. We'll install it starting from the back with this new inner half, and then here's the outer half right there. We're gonna have to take out this old one here first with 4 or 5 bolts right there.